Good afternoon, profiteers. How are you folks doing today? Patrick, as always, is Soaring Profits. And what do we see in the market today? We had a bit of a bounce, had a bit of an up day, green day so far. We are early afternoon here on Tuesday. However, there's some definitions that I want to talk with you folks about. And one of them is what's called a bear and a bull trap, okay? So again, we had a nice, lovely rebound here today in the markets, but is it going to last? Where are we and what's next? So when we look at our charting, we do see that there was rally, and there was some rally with some strength today. The problem is when we define this and we look at what is called a bear trap or a bull trap, okay? So what they are is they are events that the stock market uses for liquidity, right? So when you've had a down day or an up day, usually the following day is the opposite. And what it does is it allows larger institutions time to either get money out or put money in, okay? So what we're looking at yesterday, it was a decimation. It was like one of the worst days in stock market history. For your friends, they don't know this stuff. If you're not watching us, you don't know what is happening in the world and what the markets are doing right now. So what we're saying, folks, is that today appears to be what would be called a bull trap. So this is where bulls, the definitions come from bulls and bears, and they're old terms that come from the old days on Wall Street, where a bear has to wrestle down its victim or prey. So that's a downward trending day. And a bull uses its horns and goes up. So a bull market is a positive market and a bear market is a downward market, okay? So these terms come from that. So what we're seeing today is this, what I think is the potential of what's called a bull trap. So what we do is we see the big institutions start buying after a big liquidation day yesterday, driving some pricing up, allowing retail investors, retail are like guys like us, small brokerages, people that are managing their own funds, that sort of deal. They start thinking, oh, that's the bottom, let's jump in, okay? Then what happens is that you get a rug pull. All of a sudden, all of the money floods back out and you get another really bad bear day. So with that being said, you got some new terms to work with today. Bear market, bull market. You have bull and bear trap, and either one of them goes either way. When you get a really good day, you got to be careful for the pullback. The stock market goes up and down, on its way either up or on its way down, okay? These are all processes. So what I'm looking at today is I think that we've got a bit of a bull trap. And I'm going to say tomorrow we're probably not as up. That's my prediction. The charting is telling me that we don't have any support here for the next little while. We don't have that foundation yet, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely, we're starting to build in these prices. There's just a lot of fear. There's a lot of worry out there of what's next. So like always, folks, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Let's make some money together, guys. Thanks again.